News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Goa Police intensify checking on border checkposts. DGP issues directions. Police increase nakabandi and patrolling. Unnecessary recruitment in government service has led to burden on exchequer. Golden Jubilee Council suggests staff selection commissions for need-based and transparent recruitment. NCP starts rebuilding party organisation, hints at independent building of the party irrespective of alliance with Congress. SAG to implement Ramesh Tavarkar's idea of grading sports associations. We are not doing discrimination, says Executive Director Elvis Gomes. And Sudesh Nagvekar gives a stern reply to João Estrocio's parents. João wasn't selected due to lack of performances at state championships. We have all records, says the Swimming Association Secretary. And now the news in detail. Goa Police have intensified monitoring on all checkposts from Saturday. DGP Kishan Kumar has ordered both North and South Goa SPs to note registration numbers of each vehicle. DGP took the decision during a routine crime meeting with South Goa SP Alan Dissa, DYSPs and PIs in Margaon on Saturday. Meanwhile, Goa Police have also increased patrolling and nakabandi due to rise in theft cases in the state.
Goa Police have started monitoring vehicles entering and going out of the state from Saturday. DGP Kishan Kumar has ordered both North and South Goa SPs for monitoring the vehicles by noting their registration numbers.
जो गाड़ी आ जा रही है उनके नंबर तो हम नोट कर ही सकते हैं उसमें क्या Let us start it. Let us see it for some time.
South Goa SP says that they have implemented the order with immediate basis.
पत्रकारांनी पॉइंट रेस केलो की सगळ्यो गाडयो ज्यो बॉर्डरांसून भितर सरता तांचे डिटेल्स घेवचे म्हणून तर DGP साहेबान ऑर्डर दिल्या की सगळ्यो गाडयो जो बॉर्डरसून भितरतात आमकां एक बॉर्डर पडटा पोलें बॉर्डर म्हणटा आमकां कर्नाटक लागता तर सगळ्यो गाडयो ज्यो भितर येतल्यो कर्नाटकासून थ्रू पोलें तांचे डिटेल्स नोट करचे म्हणून.
Meanwhile, Goa Police have increased nakabandi and patrolling in the state due to rise in theft cases. Around 70 extra police personnel and personnel of Indian Reserve Battalion have been deployed for the purpose.
आमी चोरयो जाता ताजे बद्दल टीम एक काढलेली आसा पुलीस डिप्लॉयमेंट केला आमी कडक बंदोबस्त दवरलेले आतां आमी सगळे रॉबर्ट्स नेबरिंग पोजिशनाचे सगळे मडगांव हाडल्या वास्को घातल्या ही सगळी चोरी जाता ती बंद करप आमी जो आरोपी काढला पुण्यांक साकून ताणें आमकां थोड्यो घडयो सांगलेल्यो आसा आतां आनी ताणें आमकां कितें चलना क्रिमिनल कशे भोंवता मडगांव शारान वासू ताणें आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेलें आहा तो क्लू घेवन आमी आतां कामाक लागलेले आहा आनी आमकां खात्री आहा की आमचें आतां डिटेक्शन सुरू जातलें म्हणून आमी सद्या मडगांव एडिशनल स्टाफ आमी एक 70 लोक हाडलेलो.
Goa Police have decided to increase security arrangements for Vasco Sapta by installing CCTV cameras and other surveillance equipments. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
The Golden Jubilee Development Council has pointed out that number of government servants in Goa is much more than required. The council in its report has stated that the size of bureaucracy in Goa is a burden on the exchequer. They have suggested a formation of a staff selection commission to create government jobs on rational grounds and need basis. Here is a report. The Golden Jubilee Development Council report says it all. over-enthusiasm of politicians to lure voters by giving government jobs, an increasing number of Goan youth vying for the bureaucratic tag has taken its toll. The report aptly points out too many jobs be a burden on the exchequer. There is need to rationalize the size of the bureaucracy. The council has suggested an impartial system to decide about need-based creation of government jobs. They have recommended the following. It would be appropriate for the state to have a staff service commission. Job creating should be on a rational grounds and it should not end up as a burden on the state exchequer. The council has further stated that the commission should be impartial and free of any favour or influence. They also intend to clean the process of recruitment during selection of government servants. A staff selection commission chaired by an individual with an impeccable credibility will go a long way in bringing transparency, reducing the transaction costs and also potential for corruption. The report also observes that there is no relation between population and size of the bureaucracy for many goods and services provided by the government. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. NCP has decided to rebuild their party organization following their disastrous performance in the last election. The party has hinted that they will develop their cadre irrespective of their alliance with the Congress. However, all the functionaries refused to comment on whether they would like to continue with the alliance.
राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री शरद पवार जी आणि गोयच्या राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षाचे केंद्रीय निरीक्षक म्हणून महाराष्ट्रातले राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षाचे सरचिटणीस श्री संदेश कोंडविलकर हांची गोयचे केंद्रीय प्रभारी म्हणून नियुक्ती केलेली आसा आणि ते हांगासर गोंयांत येवन आमच्या पक्षाक मार्गदर्शन करतले. आमचो एक राष्ट्रीय पक्ष असल्या कारणान स्वताच्या पायाचेर उबे रावन स्वताच्या भुरग्याची निवडणूक लडोवपाची ताकद आमच्या भितर निर्माण करूंक जाय. तो करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. त्या वेळार जेन्ना पळय कितें परिस्थिती येतली त्यानुसार आमी प्रयत्न करपाचे. आमी सगळीं म्हणटात पूल येयलो की तो कसो पार करपाचो आमी पळोवया.
ह्या सरकारचो हनीमून पिरियड चालू आसा आनी सगळ्या लोकांक दिसता बरें बरें जाला म्हणून. आतां जेन्ना हनीमून पिरियड जेन्ना काबार जातलो तेन्ना कळटलें. काल विधानसभेन विष्णू वाघान सुद्दां म्हटलें
आयज नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी जेन्ना कितें तर वास जातले केन्नाय चुकी घडटल्यो केन्नाय प्रॉब्लेम जातले तेन्ना आमी डेफिनेटली लोकां खातीर आमी रस्त्यार येतलेच.
A reporter from Panji Pratik Parab with video journalist Sushant Pal.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.